We're gonna take us a heaping tablespoon of that chicken mixture and we're gonna set it down right on top of that leaf. You wanna get a little bit of spice into your life? Let's go on and dab a little bit of some hot sriracha on top of that. Well, a good Tuesday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome everyone to my home in the sticks. And I hope everybody's having a show enough good Tuesday and a good start to a new week. But over here in East Central Mississippi, it's cold and it has been raining, like a lot. Before we get started on today's video, I'm always going to say that if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over here, I sure enough thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is, nothing to do outside, so let's go inside and we're going to do some cooking. Give me a second. That's what we finna do's. Dan, what you cooking today? Let me show you. Here is our hydroponic lettuce, and I'm here to tell you we're about 32 days in, and this stuff has grown a lot. See these big old leaves right here? And I got a whole bunch of them. So what we're gonna do with our lettuce, those big lettuce leaves, we're gonna do something, or I'm gonna cook something for you and y'all that I call a lettuce taco. Some people call it a lettuce wrap. It is an Asian inspired dish. Not very many ingredients go into this. There's a few. It's a little labor intensive, but I'm here to tell you the outcome is gonna be delicious. Let's go check out the ingredients. Okay, we're gonna use 1 onion, and this is about a medium onion diced, 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger, grated ginger, 3 green onions chopped really thin, 3 cloves or 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and my preference of soy sauce is Kikkoman. I just always did like this brand and the taste of this soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. Now what I'm gonna say is I made this dish before. I couldn't find the rice wine vinegar, so I actually tried the mirin, and this, it works out pretty good. This is a little bit sweeter, I'd say. So we're gonna see how this one works with it, and I'm sure it's gonna be good because this is what it calls for. And 1/4 cup of hoisin sauce. For the filling for the lettuce tacos or wraps, I am using some organic ground chicken, and this is 1 pound of it. All right, so the next step is to get to cooking the chicken. I'm gonna set you up on a tripod and then we're gonna do that. Okay, let's get to cooking this chicken. What I'm gonna use is some grapeseed oil. It's a neutral flavored oil with a high flash point. And I like using grapeseed oil because it does not alter the taste of anything. So we're probably gonna put maybe a tablespoon of that in to the frying pan. Give it a little slosh around. Gonna add our chicken into the pan. And all we're gonna do is brown this chicken. I'm on about a medium heat. I'm using a gas stove. And the key to this is you don't want big clumps of chicken. You want very small pieces of it, so you have to break it up and brown it. So let me get this ground chicken browned up, and then I will turn the camera back on. Okay, our ground chicken is browned up quite nicely. See how it's in small pieces? That's kind of what you want. All we need to do now is we're gonna start adding in all the other ingredients. We're gonna add our onions in. We're gonna add our garlic in. We're gonna add our ground ginger, soy sauce, our rice wine vinegar. We're gonna give it a little stir. And I'm cooking this over a medium-low heat. I'm gonna add in our hoisin sauce. We are going to cook this until these onions become translucent. Shouldn't take maybe 3-4 minutes. Now, one thing that I don't put into mine and a lot of folks do, and that is water chestnuts. I like water chestnuts. I just don't like the texture of them in this dish, so I leave them out. This recipe is totally customizable. If you like a little bit more onion, by all means, put in some onion, put in more onion. If you like more garlic, put in more garlic. Now I'm here to tell you this looks and smells delicious. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put in our green onions. I'm gonna hit it with some crushed black pepper. The soy sauce has a lot of sodium in it, so I'm not gonna go too hard with the salt. Just a couple of rounds with it. Give this a stir, and I'm using this other one because I wanted to get that hoisin sauce off of there. And we're gonna cook this down for maybe 1 or 2 minutes, and tout le fine, it will be finished. I'm here to tell you that looks delicious. Let's see if we can't harvest just a few of these black seeded Simpson leaves. I'm here to tell you that is the perfect size, in my opinion anyways. Let's get a couple more. All right, we are done. Here is the chicken mixture that we are going to use for our lettuce tacos or lettuce wraps. And here is some of that sure enough beautiful hydroponically grown black seeded Simpson lettuce. Bunch of pretty leaves right there. So let's put a couple of these together and commence to giving it a taste test. Sure enough, we're going to take us a heaping tablespoon of that chicken mixture, and we're gonna set it down right on top of that leaf. And if you wanted to, you could add just a little bit more, which I think I am. Ooh-wee, I'm here to tell you. You want to get a little bit of spice into your life? Let's go on and dab a little bit of some hot sriracha on top of that. Look at there. I am here to tell you that is gonna make for some fine eating right there. Lettuce tacos or lettuce wraps. And we're using a chicken filling, and I got some hot sriracha on top of that. You know it's time to get this joker a taste test. All right, let's give this joker a try. That is delicious. And not too bad for you too, health-wise. This is the sriracha that I use. This is actually the hot sriracha. You could actually add the sriracha into the mix while you're cooking it. I prefer to add it cold on top of the lettuce wrap or the lettuce taco. I'm here to tell you, the first bite, when you taste it, the ginger and the hoisin sauce just hit you, and everything else melds in. The green onions, the onions, and I'm here to tell you I could probably eat my weight in these jokers. Well, there you have it. Old Dan's version of a really good recipe, a lettuce wrap, or I call them lettuce tacos. I am here to tell you, if you try this recipe, folk gonna line up to get slapped to get some of that, because it's that good. Super simple, super easy, a few ingredients, a little bit of chopping, but that's okay. The end result is just something delicious. That's all I can say. So again, I hope everybody is having a good Tuesday, and I hope everybody stays safe this week amid this crisis that we still have going on. If y'all like this video, go and give it a thumbs up to help. If you haven't subscribed to the Homestead channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here and give old Dan a look, because I'm starting to cook again. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan reference showing off. Always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on, get your cook on, be you. It's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.